Here is a new video about Malaysian SNR, combined with a concept that I call institutional books. There will be more videos about this method. Regard this one as a kind of introduction. Okay. As always, I start with the daily chart. This is GU, and we can clearly see that we are in an uptrend. After that, I enable my Malaysian SNR levels indicator to find the fresh levels of support and resistance. In this case, I immediately found two fresh levels above and below the current price that I mark up using raise. This support here looks like as if it is tested, but when we zoom in we can see that a few pips are missing. The intention is now to wait on a lower time frame for price to come to a daily level of support, and I want to see this in the London or the New York session. We also need to pay attention to the high-impact news and time our trades accordingly. After this candle, the news indicated the direction. Price rejected the daily support and shows momentum to the upside. And now I want to show you something new here on the 5 minutes time frame, a concept I call institutional books, or abbreviated IB. In this concept, we only consider the down close candles. In my color scheme, these are the black ones. For an entry to the upside, we need white candles closing above a black candle. Then we mark the open price of the black one. Before I explain the method further, let me show you the channel Prop Firm Past, who is the inventor of this concept. Don't forget to subscribe. He explains the method in his videos and Q&As and also demonstrates it live in group sessions. So let me show you the entry technique for this example. We found an IB and marked the open price of the black candle. The price is dealing away from this level and then tries to come back into it, but failed to close below the red line. If it would close below it, the trade is invalidated. But as long as the setup is valid, we need a black candle of the retracement leg to enter a trade if price goes above the candle's open price. I mark the open price of this candle on the 5-minute time frame now and switch to a 1-minute time frame. Then I want to see a candle closing above this level to enter a trade. I simulate this now using the replay trading feature of TradingView. A conservative stop loss would be at a previous swing low of the 5-minute time frame. It is up to you and your risk management. Since we are combining this method with the higher time frames of Malaysian SNR, a target for the trade could be the next fresh daily SNR level. As you can see, price is never closing inside of the IB, the body of the black candle. As long as it is like that, the setup is valid. Now the target is hit and we could close the trade. On the other hand, there is strong momentum to the upside. Let's zoom out and have a look at next potential targets. The next MSNR level I see is a fresh daily resistance, but if we refine, we can notice another IB from which the move to the downside is initiated. A bearish IB is created if we have a white candle followed by a black candle, and then we want to see price going away from it to the downside. For the bearish IB, we mark the closing price of the first black candle. For this setup on GU, I set an alert for this particular IB, just to show you how accurate these levels can be. Currently, I am coding a TradingView indicator for institutional books that I will provide to the TG members. You can join the TG members here on my Patreon. The link is in the description below. After joining, you get all my TradingView indicators, the ebook on Malaysian SNR, and access to the premium Discord. I will also implement the indicators for CTrader. This is why I want to announce the Prop Firm Bespoke funding, for they offer now a CTrader access and many promo codes for funding accounts. You find their promotions in their Discord. The link is added to the description below. For example, this buy one and get a second account for free is a great offer in my opinion. Bespoke Funding is a prop firm that has been around for a very long time and their payouts are real. As you can see here in the 5 figures payouts channel, they had 15K and 23K payouts recently. Another amazing feature is the growth plan. In this you get special rewards depending on your profitability, the time you trade the account and the number of payouts you had. As rewards, Bespoke Funding is, for example, scaling up your account balance or give your salaries depending on your stage. You find the link to Bespoke Funding in the description below. Alright guys, I really hope you like my channel and the institutional books method combined with Malaysian SNR. If you have any questions, please add these to the comments below. Join the TG members. I'm sure you will learn a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you here on the trading guide.